With decision excellence, the time and the speed at which the decision is made is game changer and can really provide a competitive edge to a business. Etex is a lightweight material company in the building industry. We provide our customers with insulation, fire passive protections, with lightweight material and in different markets as well, or different products like plasterboards, like fiber cement products. The aim is to be the most sustainable provider on the market. At Etex, the teams that will be using Anaplan are commercial teams, supply chain teams, and finance teams. We are embarking on the integrated business planning process to make sure that we make decisions together. We really want to improve our level of inventory to optimize it and release cash, but also to improve our delivery performance to our customers, making sure we've got the right goods available at the right time for them. The favorite thing about Anaplan is the speed at which we can design, configure, and visualize planning boards. What I am the most proud of with this project is having found the right partners and see how the team is working with the team at Etex to make this project a success. I'm Isabelle Bellessort, Global Head of Supply Chain at Etex, and we plan with Anaplan.